And welcome back to the Expo in the last day. And we are here with Goran, one of our heroes. How are you doing?
Excellent. This is a really good day. I was sick for 2 days.
Oh no!
So I was in
here.
Yeah.
Oh no!
First 2 days I was in my room, just watching everything on YouTube.
That's what I have not seen you yet.
Yeah. But it was interesting to see things from outside of all these hypes.
Yeah, you have your microphone backwards, so I will fix it.
Okay.
While we are live.
So there's a huge hype about AI, and being in a room and watching the YouTube gives me like a interesting perspective. I was like calm and really trying to find what's good about that and what's not good about that. Yeah, there's a lot of hype.
I know.
I'm an old school engineer. I want old stuff.
What you want? What was your favorite launch?
My favorite launch is the release of support for horizontal scaling on Aurora.
Okay.
I think that's a thing that everyone who's using Aurora really needs.
And appreciates.
And we don't have that service in AWS. It will match some of the popular things that are available in the market as open source solutions like Cetus for Postgre or Vitess for MySQL. We really need to find a solution to spread our data so we can easily use it in more parallel way. Like more people coming to websites. And also it will help in scaling globally, copying data to another region, maybe like a replication of stuff. Interesting thing is that it's a pure solution from AWS.
Yeah, because Aurora is a 100% built by AWS.
Yeah, but it's still Aurora is like the core of Aurora is open source MySQL Postgre, but just the storage replaced. But the whole thing about the horizontal scaling is not Cetus, and that's interesting. Like a pure solution from AWS, like really coding from AWS. So it should be like a high quality code, and I'm really looking forward to preview to see is it that good. So
well, let's see. But that's, I imagine, it's a shop for Tuesday when you get back to your office and the jet lag fades away.
Yeah. We'll see. We see like very often we come to reInvent. We see some things. We are really hyped, and but I don't want that. I want to see the real thing. I want to see like how it fits the business expectations, and this one, I'm pretty sure that it will fit.
That's a very practical launch that you mentioned, because I think everybody that uses Aurora and want to use Aurora at scale will be like, yes, we need that.
Whatever AI promises, it's just like how to improve the core things, like just a conversation interface to fix Aurora or fix Java or fix this, improve this, upgrade this. But these core things, we still have to use them and improve them, and
we need to build applications.
Yeah, I'm not happy that AWS spent so much energy on AI. So like I would really like to go further with these core things. Like this is like this whole industry is pushing it too much. But we'll see. Maybe I'm stupid. Maybe I don't
think you're stupid, but there is a lot of launches that maybe they're not hyped that much that are not AI related, because the infrastructure is still growing, it's still improving. Many services are launching things.
I love some core stuff. Like AppSync now can connect directly to MySQL and Postgre. Like people have real databases, people use AppSync. They now can really do that in an easy way. Like all these things that simplify stuff will help. Also, like zero ETL.
That's a good one.
Excellent. Like if it matches the promise, we will have one database to use it in a transactional way, another database to use it in some analytics way, search way. So that's a really good promise, because when AWS says, use multiple databases,
how you integrate all those multiple databases together?
It's hard. So this will really help. Yeah. I love these practical things.
Exactly. That's good. That's what is reInvent. There is a little bit for everybody. This year, a lot for AI experts and ML, but there's still a little bit for the old school developers and architects.
We need to dig, but there are.
I was excited, at least for me, the HTTP integration of step function.
Excellent.
Because I think that's a solution that removes a lot of extra code that makes it so simple for building applications. Just connect to your HTTP. And
it's interesting, like to talk with the production teams, like why is it so hard? what are the risks of introducing that? Because that's like a really needed feature that everyone expected like years ago.
Yeah.
But then my company is running, is creating software for low code, no code. And whenever we integrate directly from the workflow some external system, there are many risks about timeouts, errors, and stuff like that. So that can really impact our core system.
Exactly.
So this is hard, and I hope that the wait was worth it, because the AWS probably spent a lot of energy to do it good. So, and because this will be used a lot.
Yeah, and I think at least the cool thing about the step functions is that you can do all the error handling from the state machine. So you don't need to build that code. You can do the retries. You can do the timeout. You can now restart the state machine from the fail endpoint. That's quite useful for HTTP, because you don't want to call the same endpoint 20 million times.
Yeah, exactly. Excellent example. Like these are the these are the features that we waited a lot, and I hope that they will now put more. After this reinvent, they will put all the engineers that worked on AI. They will put them back on these teams so they can finish all these requests we have.
I think there is enough engineers to do everything.
I'm just joking. Yeah. I know it's hard. It's not easy to deliver, to make everyone happy. So, okay,
things are still coming, so don't worry.
Yeah. Okay.
The pre-reinvent is over, but now it's post-reinvent.
Yeah.
All the teams that didn't make it to reinvent, they are going to launch things in the next week.
I expect some things, like that teams are talking about to happen very soon. It's good that they don't rush. They don't have to release on reinvent, so that's good. So let teams build it good, and it will work forever.
Exactly. So thank you very much, Goran, and I hope you enjoy your last hours in reinvent.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.